Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to disconnect your iPhone 15 Pro Max from the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the iPhone 15 Pro Max itself. So we can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So, as you can see by the video on screen, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is connected to the Mac computer. So let's move that to the side, and I go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, let's go to Locations. Within Finder, you can see that the phone itself has been connected. If I now click on the eject button, that will disconnect the phone from the computer. We are then ready to remove the USB cable from the computer itself, and also from the mobile phone itself. We have now disconnected the iPhone 15 Pro Max from the Mac computer. We can now close Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.